Anambra State Ministry of Culture, Entertainment and Tourism has organized a roundtable discussion with key stakeholders to revive and promote Igbo culture in Anambra State. The event, which took place at the ministry's conference room at Jerome Dodge's State Secretariat, Oka, gathered cultural leaders and other key figures from various sectors to discuss strategies for preserving and enhancing the unique traditions and heritage of the Igbo people. Correspondent Emmanuel Chibata completes the story.
Discussion focused on several key areas, including the preservation of the Igbo language, promoting traditional customs and rituals, and encouraging the younger generation to embrace their cultural identity. In his speech, the Commissioner for Culture and Entertainment and Tourism, Comrade Don Onyenji, expressed concern that modernity has influenced the social life and values of the Igbo people, stating that the meeting aimed to address the social problems and challenges that have arisen as a result. Comrade Onyenji also noted that the governor is committed to promoting the core values that shape the behavior, attitude, and commitment of the healthy living of the Igbo people, while emphasizing that the primary goal of the event was to adopt a collaborative approach to reviving and preserving Igbo culture.
The aim of the meeting is to solve social problems and challenges we have in our society, especially with regard to the core values for which we are known as Igbo, as in the Anambra. We believe and hope that in a very short time we will congregate in a larger framework.
In his contributions, the permanent secretary of the ministry, Mr. Jerome Iloku, the traditional ruler of the Ukwala community, Igwe Joseph Ajodo, and the youth president, Anambra State Association of Town Union, Mr. Ken Okoli, emphasized the importance of safeguarding the rich history and values of the Igbo people as they form a vital part of Anambra State's cultural fabric.
You better understand the importance of value system. We look forward to working with the ministry to achieve available objectives for.
On their part, the Director, Arts and Culture of the Ministry, Mrs. Choma Ifediora, the Ministry's consultant, Chief Marcel Manafa, and the HOD, Citizens' Rights Anambra State, Barrister Judith Mokwe, agreed on the need to involve educational institutions, cultural organizations, and the media to increase awareness and appreciation of Igbo traditions.
I know to only that man is larger some of the things.
Also in her contributions, the director of Alkebulam Production, Mrs. Chinyere Ozokomma, discussed the role of the entertainment industry in promoting Igbo culture, highlighting the potential of film, music, and theater to reach a wide audience and inspiring a renewed interest in Igbo tradition.